To enter the diagnostics, turn the dial to the first position, wait till the lights turn on, and simultaneously press the start pause button and the button above it for a few seconds until the lights start to flash. Turn the dial to the second position to activate the hot water valve. By pressing the start button, you will alternate between hot and cold valves. Turn the dial to the position 3 to activate the water low from eco valve. And by pressing the start button, you will activate the water low from softener valve. Turning the dial to the position 4 will activate the drain pump, and by pressing the start button will activate the recirculation pump test on some of the models that do have this feature. By turning the dial to the position 5, you will be able to test the lid switch. The position of the lid will be displayed on the screen. When you open and close the lid, it should change on the LCD screen. And by pushing the drum to the top right corner, you will activate the out of balance switch. In position 6, you will be able to test the agitation of the agitator, and by pressing the start button you can test the spin test. Positions 7, 8 and 9 are only for production testing and are not relevant to testing of a machine. Position 10 is a drain calibration test, and by pressing the start button you can jump to a cycle spin test. In position 11 you can see the last alarm error code that is stored in the memory of the machine. By pressing the start button and the button above, you can clear the code. To exit the diagnostics, simply turn the machine off.